it slow. Been looking hard for the way to go. In the mirror I see a fire that's burning out the old worn out liar. I see the problem that's on my hands, fight the feelings and make my plans, lift my fists up and hold them high, laugh out loud until I start to cry. Yeah, I'm a man that's been told before that I'm only average and nothing more, and I never replied as I ate the dirt, 'cause the ones who are lying are the ones that hurt. So here's to the shattered lives and to the broken minds. You're not alone, no, not tonight. Someone cares, just hold on tight and cross the river and cross it slow. Keep your head up steady as you go. Another day and another night, everything is gonna be alright. I know you've been here before, been trapped behind the same old door. Take a deep breath and look inside. Gotta fight the urge to run and hide.